Here we go. Whee!
Whee!
Fun! Wow! Anybody need a towel? I guess we have to give up on our snow day. We might as well head home.
Minz, wait! We need you!
Here we go. A nice hot chocolate snow cones. One for you, and one for Scanner when he wakes up.
Hello? Scanner? Scanner, where are you? Oh no, poor Scanner. He must have been cold and wet. And now we're in... Wait a second. Did you hear that? It sounds like someone's snoring. Let's find this out. He might be in our car. There he is! He seems like he slept in the car for maybe at least 10 hours straight.
Wake up, Scanner! Come on!
Huh? What?
Scanner, you're safe! Meanwhile, after part 1, part 2. What? What's that noise? That's it! That's too much. Scanner! Oh my God, I go all the way over!
How dare you cut Scanner? You're grounded. After this, take no...